This topic is safe, trending, high RPM, and perfect for your existing thumbnail style. What if I told you you don't need a job, you don't need a degree, you don't even need to show your face to make money online in 2026? AI automation channels are silently printing money while most people are still scrolling. In this video, I will show you one complete system that people are using to earn passive income with AI. No fake screenshots, no hype, just logic, tools, and strategy. An AI automation channel means no camera, no mic, no editing skills. AI does script, voice, images, video. Your job? Just upload consistently.
YouTube pays based on watch time plus niche. Automation channels work because high retention, evergreen topics, global audience. Channels in AI, money, luxury, facts, and documentaries have higher CPM. Here's how money is made. 1. Upload AI videos. 2. Grow watch time. 3. Monetization approved. 4. YouTube ads pay you. 5. Extra income from affiliate links, digital products, AI tools referral. One video can pay you for years. You don't need money to start. Tools: ChatGPT, script writing. 11 Labs, free, AI voice. Leonardo AI, Bing AI, images. CapCut, video editing. YouTube, distribution. This entire setup can be done on mobile or laptop. Thumbnails flashing. These topics perform best. AI makes money. Untold business stories. Rich mindset. Luxury facts. Future predictions. Avoid vlogging. Avoid daily news. Evergreen equals long-term income. Most beginners fail because changing niche every video, copying random styles, uploading once a month, deleting videos too early. YouTube rewards patience plus consistency. First 30 days, low views. First 60 days, testing phase. After 90 days, growth starts. This is not luck. This is compound content. Every big channel you see today once had 0 subscribers. The only difference? They didn't quit. If you believe AI can change your income, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment, "I trust AI income," because the future isn't coming, it's already here.